Hello friends, in this video I'll tell you how to set print area in Google Sheets. Please like and subscribe and let's get started. First, select the cells that you want to print. For example, I'll choose this range. Now we click the print button on the toolbar or use an alternative method, click File and Print at the bottom or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+P. Okay, now choose what exactly you want to print. The current sheet, the entire workbook, or the selected cells. Next, select the paper size. The classic A4 size is also available here. The page orientation is landscape or portrait. Everything is clear here. Below we select the scale and size of the page margins. If the standard settings don't fit you, you can select your scale, click custom number and enter your scale. And to change the size of the margins, click custom numbers and resize for each side of the page. And if you have a large document, you can manually select the breaks between the pages. Click set custom page breaks and manually move the lines between the pages. In the formatting tab, we can choose whether to show grid lines and notes or not. The order of printing is from top to bottom or bottom to top, and also here we can align the data on the page horizontally and vertically. And the last tab, headers and footers, allows you to add various document attributes such as the workbook name, date or time. When everything is selected, click Next, and in this window we can select a physical printer or save the document as a PDF file, as well as make additional changes to the print settings. Print all pages or only certain pages, print in color or black and white, and if you click More Options, you will see all the same settings that we set up earlier. Press Print and that's it. Now in Ultimo.